Here are 4 reasons why people need to hire professional cleaners for a deep cleaning. Number 1, training and experience. Professional cleaners have the training and experience to tackle a wide range of cleaning challenges. They understand the best techniques and products for different surfaces and stains. Hiring a professional deep cleaning service means you benefit from specialized knowledge and equipment that might not be available to you, ensuring a more effective clean. Number 2, stress reduction. They are trained to clean areas that are often overlooked, such as behind appliances, inside vents, or between tiles. They reduce the burden and stress of cleaning on your own. You can rest assured that the job will be done correctly, freeing you from the hassle and physical effort involved. Number 3, safety cleaning. Deep cleaning often includes tasks that are not part of regular cleaning routines, such as cleaning behind appliances, washing walls, and scrubbing grout. Professionals are trained in the safe use of cleaning chemicals and equipment, reducing the risk of damage to your property or injury to yourself. Number 4, time efficiency and quality assurance. They work efficiently and can complete the job faster that offers satisfaction guarantees or follow-up checks to ensure that you are happy with the results. This allows you to spend your time on other stuff or simply enjoy a cleaner environment sooner. Hiring experts reduces the burden and stress of cleaning on your own. Overall, hiring professional cleaners for a deep clean ensures a thorough, efficient, and high quality cleaning experience that is often tough to achieve on your own.